What's up guys? We went ahead and got some new upper engine hangers for my 2022 KX250. Originally, we were running the stock engine hangers with the hole machined out for less rigidity. Scott over at Works Chassis Lab, he ended up designing a set of top titanium mounts, and we went ahead and picked up a set. Now with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and throw these things on. So let's throw these things on right now. So I'm gonna leave these like that until we take off the stock engine hangers. All right, so we got the first engine hanger off. Now we're gonna go ahead and remove the bigger engine hanger on the exhaust side. For that, I'm gonna have to do a little bit more work. So. One thing I gotta change on this is this locking bolt. Loosen this up. I want to say these are 10s, I can't remember. Throw on some gloves real quick. The header off. I don't have to remove the back part of the exhaust, but let's go ahead and get these mounts off. So from what my understanding is, these are a medium stiffness in titanium, but I am also running the medium stiffness on the front engine hanger. So we'll see how that complements each other between the two. All right, so these things are fire. Check them out, guys. These things look absolutely phenomenal. I am so stoked to be using these on this bike build. Now, these are the exact ones that the Pro Circuit race team is using. So that actually fits the whole PC replica bike build to a T, which I'm super stoked about. Anyways, let's go through, get these titanium hardware cleaned up. Shout out to Race Tech Titanium. And we'll get these things relubed and put back together. Of course, we use nothing but the best Maxima assembly grease for all my nuts and bolts. Now, that's one thing about using titanium hardware is making sure that these things stay lubed up, or else they will rip out the aluminum or the threads out of the aluminum parts. Now, I don't think I'm gonna have an issue with them bonding to the titanium. I could be wrong, but we're gonna grease them up anyways. All right, let's go ahead and install these and get everything bolted back up. go ahead and snug those down with the T-handle. And we'll get them all torqued down. All right, let's work on this side now. Get them all snug down. So I'm only going to be able to torque the top 2 bolts. I don't have my 3/8 with me. Tops go to 22.5 foot-pounds. And your bottom one's going to be at 37 foot-pounds. So all right. 13. Let's get this one tight. All right, now we can go ahead and get the exhaust put back on this and call it a day. She'll be done and we'll be happy, and I'm excited to test these things out. And I don't need to go overly tight with these bolts. Kind of back and forth, snugging them down. Get this thing bolted up and then we're done.